Softened hands and quiet lies. You speak of peace while shadows rise. A wolf sees truth through gentler eyes. You see a world you do not know, a war that's changed its shape and flame. Strength is not in blood alone, nor carved in pride, nor crowned in name. Come and prove it now. It must not be, but steel will write what words can't seal. Wolf and the wall collide tonight. Fist and fury, wrong and right. Blades may clash, but hearts decide what survives when pride has died. Wolf and the wall, hear them call. One must rise or one must fall, but in the end the truth is drawn, not in death but what lives on.
Steel rings out, the sparks take flight. Step for step in mirrored grace. One fights on through ancient rage. One sees tomorrow in his face.
The sword goes flying,
Breath runs thin.
the line between grows razor slim.
Yield, he says no.
No comes the cry,
Too proud to live, too fierce to die.
I will not kill for hollow pride.
Then strike me down or step aside.
Is knowing when to stay.
Is taking life away.
No more steel, just bone and will. The world goes quiet, cold and still. Wolf and the wall no longer war,
See what all this fighting's for,
not for crowns nor ancient claims.
but something stronger than a
And
name.
the wall, hear them call.
Neither breaks and neither falls, and in the end the battle's yield is a future finally
I yield, the word cuts deeper still.
not defeat, but temper. Wolf and wall no longer war, they
See what all this fighting's for,
not for crowns nor ancient claim.
but something stronger than a name.
Hear them call.
Neither breaks and neither falls, and in the end the battle's yield is a future finally seen. I yield, the word cuts deeper still. The not defeat, but